Hey there, health enthusiasts. Leo M here from Health Spiffy, your go-to channel for all things wellness. Today, we're diving into a golden elixir that has been creating a buzz, turmeric milk before bedtime. Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you make this nightly ritual a part of your routine? Well, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll explore 9 fascinating things that can happen to your body when you sip on turmeric milk before hitting the hay. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's unravel the magic of this bedtime potion together. Now, let's jump into the first amazing transformation. Number 1. Better sleep. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has been linked to improved sleep quality. Say goodbye to tossing and turning. Turmeric milk might just become your new bedtime buddy for a restful night's sleep. Moving on to point number 2. Reduced inflammation. Turmeric is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to curcumin. Sipping on turmeric milk can potentially help alleviate inflammation in the body, making it a soothing choice before bedtime. Let's talk about point number 3. Enhanced digestion. Turmeric has been traditionally used to support digestion, and incorporating it into your nighttime routine might just give your digestive system a gentle nudge in the right direction. Say hello to a happier tummy. Point number 4. Potential pain relief. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties don't just stop at reducing inflammation. They may also contribute to easing discomfort and providing relief from various types of pain. Consider turmeric milk your natural nighttime pain reliever. Ready for point number 5? Here it is. A potential immune system boost. Turmeric is packed with antioxidants that may give your immune system a little extra support. Sip on turmeric milk regularly, and you might just find yourself feeling more resilient. Let's move on to point number 6. Improved skin health. Curcumin's antioxidant properties play a role in promoting healthy skin. So, if you're looking for a bedtime beauty tonic, turmeric milk might just be the answer to that radiant glow. Point number 7. Potential blood sugar balance. Some studies suggest that curcumin may have a positive impact on blood sugar levels. While more research is needed, incorporating turmeric milk into your bedtime routine could be a tasty step toward supporting overall health. Now, point number 8. Potential mood boost. Curcumin has been explored for its potential antidepressant effects. While it's not a substitute for professional treatment, including turmeric milk in your evening routine might contribute to a positive mood. Last but definitely not least, point number 9. Potential weight management support. Some studies suggest that curcumin may have a role in weight management by promoting a healthy metabolism. Sipping on turmeric milk before bed might be a flavorful addition to your wellness journey. There you have it, folks. 9 incredible things that can happen to your body if you drink turmeric milk before bedtime. Remember, individual experiences may vary, and it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your routine. If you found this information intriguing, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow health enthusiasts, and hit that subscribe button to join the Health Spiffy community. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss our insightful wellness explorations. I'm Leo M, signing off, wishing you a night of golden dreams and a spiffy journey to health. Until next time.